Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I am going to share you with Upstock bulk order Excel with the fund management calculator. Let's see how it's working. Once you visit my website nicholasnilo.com, you can see screener section. Here you can see Upstock fund management Excel. You just click it. Scroll down. Here you can see click here to open. Just click it. Once you click here, do one thing, just go to file and make a copy. Just click make a copy. Okay, then it will be stored to your Google Sheet, then you can edit. Okay, so let's see how it's working. The bottom you can see fund management. Just click it. Here you can put your capital. For example, if your capital is 5,000, you just put capital 5,000 here, and leverage you can put 10 times, 20, 12 times. Okay, so here I am just for example 10 times leverage I put here and 10,000. That's it. Then back to Upstock to Excel. Here you can put the stocks. Suppose I'm just going to select IOC. No need to add any quantity here. You just leave this column, and buy or sell you just select buy or sell. Then stop loss point. Suppose you put stop loss is 2 point and target is 4 point. Then the price is 121.50. That's it. Like that way you can place any order. So it will automatically shown the quantity here. Ibull Housing Finance, sell or see order. Stop loss is 4 and target is 5. And once you put the price here 319.95, you can see the quantity is changed. It's automatically calculating. Okay, and here you can see maximum profit and maximum loss also. It will be calculated based on the stop loss and target you place it. One more example I will show you. Chola Finance. Okay, see the quantity is reducing. Whenever once we put the capital here and leverage also here, it will be divided by the stocks. Then it's automatically calculated the quantity. And if you put stop loss and target in the fund management section, it will automatically calculated how much profit you will get, what is your loss, maximum loss and maximum profit. Okay, if you feel that it's too high, then you can reduce capital here 5,000. So from here you can manage your fund like that. So it's very simple. First you put your capital here 10,000 or 5,000, 25,000. Suppose 25,000, you just put your capital here and set your leverage. If you want only 5 times, just set 5 times, or if you want 10 times, you can set 10 times. Then back to the Upstock to Excel and place your order here. You can select the stocks and order type. Then quantity, just leave this box, this column. It will be automatically calculating. And buy or sell OCO and put your stop loss and target, then only it will be calculated in the maximum profit and maximum loss. Suppose Coal India, see automatically changing the quantity, and stop loss is 1 point and target also 1 point, 193. See, it's automatically show how many quantity. After placing the order and stop loss, target and price, just go to the instruction tab There you can see a blue box. Just copy, right click and copy this box, the content inside the box, and here you can see a link, W3 school link. Just click it, delete this section, right click and paste it. Just click run. Then you can see Upstock button. Just click it. Password and your date of birth you just put here. Then click login. Okay, see order with the quantity here you can get, and once you place order, it goes to the terminal. Now market is closed, that's why this rejection message is getting, or else it directly goes to the terminal. So once you place, first you put your capital and leverage, set your leverage, then back to the Substocks Excel, add the stocks and leave this box. It will quantity is automatically showing here. So fill your stop loss, target and price. Then back to fund management, you can see maximum profit you will get and maximum loss. And if you feel that loss is too much, then you can reduce the leverage to control your loss and profit. And if you wish to open free account with Upstocks, visit nicholasnilo.com. There scroll down, here you can get Upstocks. Click here to open account with Upstocks. Just click it. Once you open account through my reference, you will get all this Excel sheet, Upstocks made Excel sheet. In extra, I will add to my private Telegram channel. Okay. So hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.